What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is 410 Auto Tech. As you can see, today I'm going to be unboxing crate number 4 from the TOOLHEADZ crate service that I'm subscribed to every month. What I love about it is that each and every month they have a different style theme to it. So I'm excited to see what's in this month's box. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Alright guys, so if you have never heard of TOOLHEADZ crate, here you go. TOOLHEADZ crate service, cheap box, better stuff, brought to you by some awesome mechanics and their wives, the Rust Belt Mechanic, JRC54, and Captain Ron. So each month it has, like I said, they have a theme to it every single month, so you never know what's inside the box. And they also do a big prize at the end of the month for one lucky winner with a golden wrench ticket. And this month, I believe, if you are subscribed to JRC54, go ahead over his channel. If you're not, he's also helping technicians pay off their tool truck accounts. So let's open her up. Alright, as you guys can see already, TOOLHEADZ crate always brings you a personalized letter. That is awesome thing that they do. It says, "What's up, TOOLHEADZ? It's that time of the month. We know that you skipped with delight to your mailbox, and we are pumped to share this month's crate. It's all about tires and wheels, keeping those bad boys tight and right." So it gives you a little layout of what's inside the box. I'm gonna move this to the side so you guys can see what's inside. Alright, so first thing up is a sticker. They always include a sticker, which is nice. It's gonna be put on my tool cart. This one is "They're not gloves, they are mittens." Nice little sticker. I'm gonna be putting it on the toolbox. I wear gloves, so. Alright, so you get 2 rags in this month's box. They are blue, not red this time. Just a small joke, guys. Alright, so this wheels and tires month. So this is a tool that you would use, and you would put lube if you're mounting tires. You would put it around the tire before you mount it on the rim and before you reinstall it, of course. So nice little thing, or you can use it as a toilet bowl cleaner. You guys got some filthy mouths out there. Next up in here, you have a tire pressure handheld tool that goes up to 50 psi with the logo, which I love. You know, them branding with them branding tools is awesome. I really do enjoy that. Alright, you got a tread depth gauge. If you wear t-shirts with pockets, you clip it on there. I have mine laying around, and you can see mine's all worn out. So it's nice to have another one, because they do go missing, even though they are in your toolbox somewhere. You get one pry bar, mini pocket pry bar with a flathead, and a Phillips. It's nice to have, so nice to add it to the collection. If you see me on Instagram, I love pocket screwdrivers, and I have a good amount of them, so it's always nice to add them to the collection. You get a valve stem core removal tool when you're doing tires, so it's nice to have. You have a pocket magnet, nice and pretty long, as you can tell. It's longer than my arm. So here you go. Let's see. Nice, quick, nice little pocket magnet. You can never have enough of these, because if you're working on cars all day long, you always drop them. So there's that. You have, I believe. Alright, so you would thread this on a valve stem, just like so. And then you would use the top half to pull it out through the rim. So once you dismount the rim, you would thread this on the tire and yank out the valve stem. If you don't have a tire pressure monitor system and you don't have a sensor in there, you would just pull it out. But if you do, you would have to remove the tire pressure sensor and then thread it on there and then pull it out. And as well, you can use this tool as well to reinstall it, which is a nice added feature. The one at the shop goes missing all the time, so. And I believe at the same time, if you look right here, is also a valve stem removal tool as well. And which is cool with this added feature is you screw it on the valve stem, and it starts deflating the tire pressure in the side of the tire, and you can start removing another wheel off the car while you're removing the air out of another one. Alright, so you have a box of gloves, large. I'm a medium, so hopefully this fits. Challenger, I've never heard of this company, but I'm interested to see if it's a high quality or not. As you can see down here, it says automotive, plumbing, industrial, painting, and medical. It's a Nerdle gloves, which is nice. I really do love Nerdle, whatever you want to call it, Nerdle gloves compared to Diamond Grip. Is a good set of gloves, but I'm not the biggest fan on latex gloves. It is powder free. It is a really good glove, but it just has sometimes an awkward feeling to it. So I'm glad I'll have some nitrile, whatever you want to call it, gloves to have in my toolbox. Or it's nice and small and compact where you can put it in your glove box, which is a good thing if you're stuck on the side of the road and you have a flat tire. You don't want to get too dirty. You have a set already to go, and you have 20 of them, so 10 uses out of it. It's nice to have handy at work, at home, or in the car. So thank you guys. You have this P10 Independent Tool Authority book. So pretty much a lot of tools and manufacturers that you're not usually fully aware. In my shop we only get Snap-on, Matco, and Cornwell, but pretty much some tools that you never heard of, and it's nice that they give you some, I guess, some ratings. Alright, so last up is this tire pressure Relearn tool for a GM series vehicle. It is made in China, but let's crack her open. Alright, so there's no really instructions in here, but the good thing is that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to this tool. It is an OEC T5 series. We're going to open her up. It is a tire pressure monitor system. This is an essential tool whether you are a quick lube technician or a master technician. And if you're anything to do with tire rotation, tire repairs, tire replacement, it is an essential tool to have in your box if you are a GM technician, or if you are at home with a GM product. It is a great tool to have. I use it. I'm going to show you the one that we have at work real quick. I'm going to pop some batteries in. Alright, so I'm back. As you guys can tell, this is the one that we have in the shop. It is beat up, missing the back cover. It has a little modification to hold the battery inside. Same exact tool, just made by a different company, and it's all beat up, as you can tell, dirty. So we'll be writing my name on this. I've been actually eyeing this up to buy this on my own, but I just keep forgetting. So thank you, TOOLHEADZ Crate, for sending me this, and I will be doing a small demonstration on how to use this tool. So you can use it. There's multiple different ways to activate the tire pressure monitor system, and it is nice to have. Like I said, it's an essential tool if you guys are a technician, a GM technician, or if you are at home DIY guy and you own a GM product. You will use this tool if someone forgot to reset your tire pressure monitor system. So that in itself has made me very happy that I'm a part of this OG Toolhead collection. But as you can tell real quick, it takes a 9-volt battery. So pop one in here, and all you do to turn it on is that when you're ready to relearn your tires. I'm gonna show you guys in a short clip real quick on how to use this. Nice, simple, easy, quick. Most GM products are all the same. So either you're gonna have a vehicle with a key like this, and you have a key fob. Essentially all you do is hold the lock and unlock. We'll put the key in the run position, hold the unlock and lock at the same time. The car will beep, and it will beep twice, and you'll be in relearn mode. And after that, you will start in the left front tire, move your way to the right front tire, then your right rear tire, and your left rear tire. And at the end, it will beep, beep, beep twice when you have completed the cycle, and it has relearned all 4 tires. And if one tire does not beep, sometimes what I will do is try it again, and then if it doesn't happen again, then I know I have a fault in one of the tire sensors that did not beep. And from there, then you would go off the diagnostic strategy and figure out if it's a tire issue or is it a module issue. Alright guys, so here you go. Sometimes you'll always have the key in run, and if you have the key fob, you hold the lock and unlock for a couple seconds, and it'll enter relearn mode. But if you have if you have a key with the fob already attached, I'll show you another option as well. You always have the key in run. In this instance, the tire sensor, it says the right rear is low, and so we're going to relearn it. Versus tire pressure PSI, you just hit set and clear, guys. Hold it. Are you ready? Are you sure you want to relearn it? Heck yeah, I am. I'll show you guys this tool. It'll beep just like that twice. You want to start with the left front tire always. So you get your new tool. Here's your valve stem. You want to get it close enough to the valve stem right here. Always aim it up, hit the activation button, bam. You come down to your right front tire. Like I said, always aim it up, activate it. Your right rear, activate it. Then you come down to your right. You come down to your left rear. Alright, so the tires have been successfully learned. You know you have 2 low tire pressures in the right and the rear. That's when you would fill the tires up to spec. They're about 35 on this car, and then you would check for leaks. So it's a nice, awesome tool, so you don't have to waste your time to say, hey, am I low in the front or low in the rear? And if the tire has been changed and the tire sensors have not been relearned, you'll be chasing your tail looking for a tire in the right rear where it's actually in the left front or right front. So it's a nice, good tool to have. Thank you, guys. Alright, guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, my little demonstration on how to use that tire pressure monitor service tool, Relearn tool. I use it every day. We have one in the shop that we use, but it gets worn out, and I would like my own. So big shout out to TOOLHEADZ Crate for putting that in the package for me. I really love it. It didn't come with a t-shirt this month, but I'm fine with that because I got the tire pressure monitor Relearn tool, so it's a win-win situation in my book. So big shout out to Rust Belt Mechanic, JRC54, and Captain Ron, and of course their wives that helped them out as well. That's what I love about it. You know, they bring you new tools, new vendors every month. You don't know what's going to come in the box, but it's pretty much, you know, this was tires, last month was, you know, cleaning supplies, before that was electrical. So every month has a new style to the box. I'm going to drop a link down below so you can join the crate service, and if you want to be a part of it and receive some gifts every month from some tool heads over there. So drop a like down below what you thought about it and what you'd like to see more in the future as well. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you can see all my videos, and then if you want to see what's next month inside next month's Toolhead Crate Service, hit that notification bell. So until next time, it's going to be 4-0 Auto Tech out.